Hey folks, we're back here at Thunder Valley CB Shop. We got a few radios left. We got Cobra Chromes, Cobra 25. We got two Connex 36 HPFs, nice radios, already converted, peaked and tuned. I also have this cool HD camera. It has two different cameras in it, so you can put one in your windshield and like one out your side window if you like to record in case some idiot pulls out in front of you. I've got Turner mics, I've got external speakers. I got one used one back there, guys, for 20 bucks. We got the affordable Pro 520 XL unit in. Then we're starting to get some cool stuff on the wall here. Look at that. We got a wolf head for the Wolfman. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, it's getting there. Still out of antennas for the most part. My distributor forgot to ship them this week, so I just got off the phone with him and he's shipping them. I've got some new mics selling as used for around 20 bucks. Oh yeah, we got some Echo mics in here. I also got some mic accessories. A couple different mic keepers. I've got the American flag red, white, and blue ones coming in. Some mic accessories, and I also have an SWR meter in case you guys need to check your SWRs while you're on the road. I also have a couple used radios in, an old North Star Galaxy 45 MP and a Uniden Bearcat 980. I've gone all through them, peak tuned and aligned them. They're all ready to go. Alright guys, we still have our Road King, A-Static 636 Chrome, A-Static 636 American flag, A-Static Road Devil, and the D104. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. I appreciate y'all following me on social media. Go to my YouTube page and please subscribe, Thunder Valley CB Shop, and y'all be safe and God bless. Talk to you soon.